Looking for Amazon tools that can actually save you time, boost your productivity, and make every project easier? You're in the right place. So stick around until the very end, because your next favorite tool might be waiting further down this list. Removing stubborn lug nuts, seized bolts, or rusted fasteners doesn't have to be a battle anymore. This upgraded half-inch cordless impact wrench delivers an incredible 900 foot-pounds of fastening torque, giving you the power to tackle cars, trucks, trailers, heavy equipment, and demanding workshop repairs with confidence. At its heart is a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers more power, longer runtime, quieter operation, and significantly less maintenance than traditional brushed motors. The kit includes two high-capacity 4.0 amp-hour batteries, so while one battery is working, the other can stay charging, keeping downtime to an absolute minimum. Bending thick steel rebar by hand is slow, exhausting, and rarely consistent. But what if you could get a perfect bend in just a few seconds? That's exactly what this portable electric hydraulic rebar bender is built to do. Powered by a 1200-watt motor, it bends number 7 rebar from 10 to 22 millimeters in as little as 3 seconds, helping you finish demanding jobs dramatically faster. The adjustable bending angle from 0 to 130 degrees gives you the flexibility to handle foundations, columns, reinforced concrete work, and structural fabrication with professional accuracy. If you've ever cut synthetic rope or fabric, you already know the frustration of messy, frayed edges. Thankfully, this tool solves that problem instantly. The 60-watt electric hot knife cutter uses adjustable heating power to slice cleanly through rope, nylon, webbing, fabric, foam, and other synthetic materials while simultaneously sealing the edges to prevent unraveling. With adjustable temperature control, you can match the heat output to different materials, giving you cleaner cuts and greater precision every single time. Great tools are useless if you can't see what you're doing, and this portable lighting system turns night into day. The CAVN Rechargeable Work Light features 3 ultra-bright adjustable LED lamp heads mounted on a detachable tripod that extends up to 6 feet high, giving you powerful illumination exactly where you need it. Need to adjust the brightness? Simply use the included wireless remote, no climbing ladders or stopping your work. Multiple lighting modes make it perfect for construction sites, automotive repairs, emergency situations, camping, garages, and outdoor projects. Sometimes the most powerful tools aren't the biggest ones, and this compact grinder proves exactly that. The Fanttik M10 Ace cordless angle grinder packs a powerful 10,000 RPM brushless motor into a lightweight body that's easy to control during precision cutting, grinding, polishing, and metal fabrication. 3 variable speed modes let you switch effortlessly between delicate finishing work and aggressive cutting, while the built-in LED display keeps important operating information visible at a glance. Cutting sheet metal doesn't have to mean sparks, rough edges, or hours of cleanup. This cordless sheet metal nibbler is designed to make every cut smoother, faster, and far more precise. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, it effortlessly slices through 18-gauge steel, aluminum, leather, carpet, and other materials while maintaining outstanding control. Unlike traditional shears, the nibbler removes tiny sections of material, creating cleaner edges with minimal distortion and reducing the need for additional finishing work. Flooded basement? Overflowing pool? Unexpected water damage? When every minute counts, this pump is ready to go. The 1/3 HP submersible utility pump moves an impressive 2,790 gallons of water per hour, making it ideal for flooded basements, swimming pools, hot tubs, ponds, construction sites, and emergency drainage. Its built-in automatic water sensor activates the pump when needed and helps prevent dry running, giving you peace of mind during extended operation. Despite its compact size, this pump delivers powerful performance while remaining easy to transport between job sites or around your property. Anyone who's installed laminate or hardwood flooring knows one thing: stubborn floor gaps can quickly become frustrating. Fortunately, this clever tool makes the job dramatically easier. Using a powerful vacuum suction cup combined with reinforced steel impact plates, this floor gap fixer securely grips flooring panels while allowing precise tapping into perfect alignment. The strong vacuum hold prevents slipping, improving both installation accuracy and efficiency without damaging finished surfaces. Forget buying disposable cans of compressed air over and over again, because this cordless air duster takes cleaning to an entirely new level. Spinning at an incredible 300,000 RPM, it blasts away dust, dirt, and debris from keyboards, computers, vehicles, workshops, cameras, electronics, machinery, and even barber equipment with remarkable power. Variable speed control lets you switch instantly between gentle airflow for delicate electronics and maximum power for stubborn debris. The rechargeable battery gives you complete cordless freedom, eliminating the ongoing cost and waste of disposable air cans. Every workshop needs one tool that can do almost anything, and this cordless rotary tool is exactly that. The HARDELL 8V Rotary Toolkit features 5 variable speed settings reaching up to 28,000 RPM, along with 42 accessories for sanding, polishing, engraving, grinding, drilling, cutting, sharpening, and countless DIY projects. Its lightweight, cordless design provides outstanding maneuverability, making detailed work much easier than bulky, corded alternatives. The rechargeable battery eliminates tangled cords while giving you the freedom to work almost anywhere. Innovation doesn't always mean adding more tools. Sometimes it means making every tool smarter. The HOTO SNAPBLOQ Pioneer Edition is a beautifully engineered modular system that allows multiple workshop tools to connect through an intelligent magnetic platform. Instead of filling your bench with separate tools, each module snaps effortlessly into place, creating a cleaner, faster, and more organized workflow. Designed for makers, repair technicians, model builders, electronics enthusiasts, and creative professionals, the premium modular design makes switching between tasks almost effortless. We're wrapping up today's countdown with a tool that completely reimagines portable cutting, and it just might become your favorite workshop companion. The Dremel Blueprint Portable Saw Station combines a 12-volt brushless compact circular saw with an integrated cutting station that dramatically improves stability, accuracy, and safety. Its built-in guide system helps produce straighter, cleaner cuts while securely supporting your material throughout every project. Despite its impressive capability, the lightweight portable design makes transporting it between job sites or around your workshop incredibly easy. Which of these brand new Amazon tools would you add to your workshop first? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Amazon tools, workshop gear, and must-have innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.